Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you how can you create this beautiful illustration using Procreate. So let's start it, let's get into it, and let me show you how can you create this beautiful illustration. So I'm going to just select a color which matches the ocean tone, and I'm just going to drop it down on my canvas. I have selected this canvas the size of 16 by 24. We're going to use it into the vertical side. So just drop the color which resembles the ocean, and in the second layer just drop the color of the sand, because we have to divide into the two parts. The upper part is going to be the ocean and the bottom part is going to be of the sand. So once you are done, just crop the size of the sand and just combine the both layers. And now we are going to use the Gaussian blur and just going to merge both of these colors to have a merged background. Once done, create a new layer, and in this new layer we are going to use the brush which is ocean, because we're going to create some kind of an ocean background, and you can use the darker tone, the color that you have used for the background. So I'm using a darker cyan color in this right now. I'm just creating the background for the ocean. You need to take care of where you want to have your waves and put the darker tones on the areas and the lighter tones as well. So it's going to be a mix and match and a perfect balance, so you can have the dramatic ocean look in this one, or the waves that you're going to create. We're going to use a lighter white tone as well for in the the center part where the sand and the ocean is meeting. We're going to use the white color there, and then we are going to use the same brush of the ocean, and this brush is available in the Procreate. You don't have to download this brush from somewhere else. It is very easily available in the Element, the ocean brush, and we have the brush of the wave. I'm using these two brushes, but you can have the water brushes as well, the water glaze brush. These brushes are good to create kind of a wavy look. I'm going to use these brushes for the background, and top of that I'm going to use the ocean brush to create the wavy look. Once the waves are done, then we are going to create the sand look. I'm using a darker beach tone and light beige color to create the sand look. And with the airbrush tool, I'm creating some kind of a sand effect, the depth in it, so it will give a look of the sandy area. Okay, now I'm ending the more darker tone at the side of the ocean to increase the more depth in it. I'm using the same ocean brush and the darker cyan tone to have these kind of look. Once the background is done, now I'm going to write a beautiful ayat over it, because I wanted to create a, someone asked me to create it with the ayat and they have sent me this particular ayat, so I'm going to write it on this background. You're going to have a second layer and just choose the khatati brush which I've created. So it is very easy for me to write it into a beautiful Arabic khatati. I'm just going to write this ayah and that's it, it will be done. Now I'm just setting the calligraphy so it comes at the center of this background and it look all composed. Once it's done, it will be good to go. Do share, tell me in my comments what do you want me to create next and if you like this or not. Bye bye.